What's up, guys? How you all doing? I got sponsored by Yoken Red lighters. I film lighters all the time, so it fits my content. And there were some of the coolest lighters right here. For the first one, this is a Yoken Red Katana, and it's so cool. This is some of the most powerful lighter I ever seen. And look at all the features on it. So first one, it looks like a katana handle. Let's open up some space and let's light it. Look at that giant flame. This is up to 12 inches of flame right here. That is insane. It looks like even bigger. And also it's replaceable flames. There's attachments for it. Flames go to up to 25,000 Fahrenheit. So that's incredible. Anytime I need to start up a fireplace, now that it's winter, I grab one of these, I light it up, I get my little fire starter with bunch of logs, boom, got it going. Super easy to adjust it right here and refill it. There's a safety lock and also lock flame and keep it going locked, let go. Also, if we're going to wait a minute for it to heat up, it will change color. It doesn't heat up very fast. Look at that. I have to wait for a while. Looks like I need to refill it, which is easy to do. Barrel thermal warning. So right here, let us know that it heats up. Now it's too hot to use. And if you let it out, once it cools off, it will turn back black again. How cool is that? I love that warning. That's so awesome. Also, I can easily adjust right here. Looks like I need to refill the lighter, but look how well I can adjust it from small flame to little flame. So reliable and so easy to get it from much smaller flame to big flame. Let me refill it real quick. It's super easy to refill, but now we know it's too hot. I love that there is like armor handle, just like a little sword would have. Boom, set it down and it's not touching any heat. So that is awesome because it's easy to lay it down and not worried it is melting my table. Love that. This is made out of alloyed ceramic flame guard. So this was talking about super nice refillable port. Right here, what else? Heat resistant grip. It does feel a little rubber. It's super comfortable. Let's talk about it. And obviously windproof because the flame is just so powerful. It is a torch. I love it. Okay, and lock, we talked about that. In ergonomic grip, absolutely, man. It feels like a sword, you know. And whenever it's light up, I feel like I'm holding like light. What do you call it? Light saber. There you go. And adjustable. Yeah, we hit through all of these things. It's amazing. This is my favorite lighter by far. But they also make a lot of other cool things, and let's go through it and check it out, because maybe for some people need something like a standalone lighter, like around the kitchen, around the backyard with the fire pit. That could be useful right here. This called Delta. Yoken Red Delta. Adjustable precision flame. Let's just go through it and look at all of the features. There's a lot of features. Let me get my gas can right away. Look, I need to refill it. I can set it down. This hot part is right here. I can go get gas can and refill it. Put upside down, refill it. Whoop, it does say do not overfill. Wow, nice. There's a window viewing, kind of sideways, but it's full all the way. Okay, that was easy. Same thing, lock. Most important, very important, having safety. A very powerful lighter right here, and as you can see, already add-on light. Boom. And right after refill, look at that, we could use it right away. It has 20,000 piezo ignition. That's why I didn't talk about the Katana lighter. They all have that very reliable ignition. And look how easy it is to adjust it. Just turn this wheel and we'll slowly adjust. And same thing, the barrel will have a thermochromic muzzle. So this, once we keep it on, it will turn blue, and it's so cool. It's very comfortable. It has, while we're waiting for it to heat up, it has a green flame right now. I will turn down the light, and it has 12 inches flame, but yeah, easily 12 inches. Press to start. There you go. Now we have changed the color. As you can see, it's super easy to press to start. USA design, adjustable flame, we talked about that. Barrel, thermal warning, so they say hot right there. But also what's cool about this specific lighter brand, look at that, thermochromic muzzle. I never seen anything like that. While it's blue, we know it's hot, do not touch that. So it has 2 warnings on it. That is incredible. It has a safety lock we'll talk about, but lock it and boom, it going, let go, reset it. Okay, tank fill level. Oh yeah, this is so nice because I can tell. Oh, why is the lighter doesn't work? Because we can check the fill tank. Okay, we have lighter, we have no lighter fluid, that's why. 8 gram butane capacity. Okay, nice. Refillable port is right here. Super easy to refill it. Okay, freestanding. So that's what I'm talking about. The katana is not freestanding. If you wanna grab something a little bit smaller, easy to put it on, put it up. Lock, windproof, obviously. It's gonna be super windproof because it's like a nice thick blowtorch. Incredible. Okay, we hit all the points, 20,000 press ignition. I really like that one a lot too. But there is also, maybe somebody really like that, but they want something different. Let's see, let's open this one up. Do quick unboxing. Right here. Okay, that one is like a table lighter. Let's see. Export assurance. Earning your trust and ensuring in excellence. So this is right here. Yoken design, Gavin, butane torch. I'm sorry about mispronunciation, but yeah, this is minimalist design with powerful function. All right. Wow, look at that box. This is incredible. So this will come up. What is this? This is so cool. All right. There's instructions. Let's go to all of the, so this one is more for cooking. You know, like you can blowtorch your steak. Look, DIY projects, they say. Even almost welding. Look at that. Outdoor fun. Ooh, s'mores, good idea. A lot of people cannot have bonfires outside, so this might be a good idea to use. That's so cool. Sushi rolls, sear steak. That's what I was thinking about. Man's hand, 3.5 inches. Woman's hand. Oh, I don't know about that. My hand is much bigger. An average person hand probably will be different. My hands are huge. I'm a giant. I'm 6'7". But yeah. Let's see. Specific guides. That's so awesome. But I like it. It's very comfortable in my hand. So, ooh, this is magnetic. So it is a freestanding, or I can, with the flick of my pinky, remove that, leave it on a table. Wow, very comfortable to sit it up. Has a little bit of a lighter fluid. Do not overfill. They all have that. Do not overfill warning. And it's nice. What is this whole thing will be fluid? Okay, we locked up. This right here, how we adjusted, I love it. Let's super quickly look through it. Max stand, pivot to any angle with the precision. That's a good idea. What? Well, looks like not really a 90-degree angle, but that is enough degree. Look at that. That is so cool. Yeah, it's still sitting there really good. Maybe if it's 90 degrees it'll fall over. But this is so nice. So if I want to cook some marshmallows on the side, boom. So we can turn it on and lock it. Let's do it and unlock it and it will reset. This is so awesome. Wow. Okay. Let's refill it either way. Got right here butane Okay, fills up really well. Oh, it says do not overfill. Does it have a viewing window for the flame? Yes, it has a viewing window right here where the butane is. At this angle it's kind of hard to see, but I can see it easily. So let's start. Okay, right now I just set it on the lowest. In a way, this is like a double safety. You put it on all the way on minus, it will not light up. So, and a plus it has a lock. So I love the double safety on it. So on lock, maximum. Ooh, powerful. 12-inch flame. Very comfortable. With my hand right here, I can like use DIY projects, sear steak, set something up, start lock, and maybe do the marshmallows, adjust it to any angle that I need. Very cool. Oh wow, I have nothing to worry about it. It sits there super nice on a magnet. Yeah, there you go. That is so cool. And then unlock it, lock it. Okay, let's see how the adjustment does. Went too much. Look at that adjustment. So quick adjustment for any reason. Okay, I want to sear steak a little bit. Want to start the fire quickly. Want to cook marshmallows a little bit. Boom. Let's do a different color real quick. I have one of this thing. Probably be hot, so I gotta be careful. But it is super easy to replace these things. That's beautiful. I see how this lock helps if I need to do some kind of project, and all I have to do is unlock it. Alright, check this out, and then all I have to do is grab a little knife and pull it out super easily. What else? USA designed, developed and engineered by the American community. Okay, adjustable flame, built to withstand alloy and polymer grip. Yeah, this is nice. I've been burning it for a long time. Very comfortable, and it's not hot or anything. Feels really good. 2500 Fahrenheit, powerful flame. But yeah, definitely the most unique part about it is the magnetic stand. That's super cool. I can almost grab it. Look at that. Well, if you put it to the side, I'd say like no problem. But it will hold like that with me. If I need to move it somewhere, it will be moving with the grip. Very good. So yeah, it has pro experience, crafted throughout years of 10 years manufacture, high quality control, safe buy 100%. I love that. That's so awesome. So we have one more lighter. This is by far now I'm like have a split decision. Now this is might be my favorite lighter. Okay, this is a Tempora, Yoken Tempora. Is that how I pronounce it? Very good. Same thing. Adjustable will be right here. The tank level window right here. Refilling port on the bottom. Flame guard, all that, and it let us know it's hot. Piezo ignition. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it really well with that stuff. Wait, what? It says chargeable. That's cool. What? That is awesome. Let's see. It has 20,000 piezo ignition, 2500 Fahrenheit, 12 inches. Press to start. Programmable digital timer. Wait, what? That is super different. I love how all these lighters are not just different by design and standalone. They also have different features. Wow, this is hefty. Look at that. So the lock very comfortable on lock. Ooh, what is this? I have no idea. That is so cool. What is this? So it's adjustable. I have to figure this out. So maybe, what? That's so cool. Okay, thermochromic muzzle, so it will change when it's hot. I guess this is not be hot as much. Adjustable flame color, heat resistant silicone grip. It does feel very comfortable, silicone for sure. There's a view and wind. Alloy plus ceramic flame guard. Beautiful. Okay, and lock, we talked about that. There's a hot warning and windproof. The best thing I'm curious about is right here. What is this? Let's figure it out. Let's refill it. Do not overfill. There's a charger, so a chargeable battery for this display. I never seen a lighter with a display like that. This is something so unique. Okay, I'm gonna refill it real quick. Says do not overfill. Okay, it's about halfway. Very easy to see. I love the window. Okay, there's a minus and plus. It was all the way on minus. Wow! Wow, I love the sound of this lighter. So what's happening? Let's say set it to like, I don't know, low amount of time. I think this is a timer. That is so unique. Have you ever seen anything? I love the style of it. I love the round, whatever, barrel, whatever you want to call it. Round design of it. Ooh. Up. Down. Let's adjust it. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that little flame. And then if I need to use it for DIY projects, I can adjust it more. Oh, there's a tiny little flame. Reliable piezo ignition. You see every time. On a little flame, on a big flame. I have no idea. Oh, you know what? It's for cooking. In case we need to know how long we want to sear it for. This is a timer or something. There's a timer. Then we sear it more. For how many seconds? That is so cool. Sear it. Then stopped it. And then it's gonna cool down whatever we are searing it. And it's timer. We can do it for 10 seconds, a minute. That is so cool. That is insane. So there's like a timer built into it and a counter how long we searing it for. That is so cool. Man, by far the most advanced lighters. Again, easy to replace the color flame. This is one of the coolest lighters I've ever seen. You see there's a lighter going off. By far, so different, all of them. I don't know which one to pick. I really like all of them for different reasons. I really do like Katana a lot, but that other ones is so cool with this big stand, and I can use it at the angle anytime. Easy to use, very comfortable to hold like that, and they all comfortable, just different designs. And this one is like most advanced. So cool. And press it off and it'll turn off. Put it on lock. So nice. Hard to choose. By far coolest lighters I've seen on the market. If you guys interested, I'll put links in description. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.